What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So, as many of new parents know, uh, a lot of stuff that you want to do before you having a kid, you kind of have to work around the kids now. One of the things that we kind of have to give up is going to the movie theater. My wife and I used to subscribe to AMC A-List. So essentially, you can go watch 3 movies a week. It doesn't matter what kind of format it is or which movie it is. And well, we had to get that up. So baby is over 3 months now, and we haven't been to a theater since. So it's kind of bummer. I do miss the time to go watch a good movie, and there are a lot of good movies out right now. Frozen 2, Midway, a bunch of other ones. The Ford versus Ferrari. Oh man, I want to watch that one. That has really good rating too. So tomorrow is the weekend, and we decided we just gotta go. Frozen 2, I love the Frozen 1. So yeah, we gotta go watch it. And also the Star Wars movie is coming out as well. Now, in order for us to go watch it, either someone is babysitting our kid or we have to bring the kid to the theater. Since we don't have a babysitter, then we just have to bring the kid to the theater. For those of you know, if babies start crying in the theater, it's never a good experience, not only for you, but for the people next to you. So we want to go to the theater as early as possible. So in preparation of that, I got this, Banz Earmuff. And they got some really good review on Amazon. So if you want to pick one up, this one is from 0 to 2 years. So for our baby, it's perfect. And it's relatively cheap too. It's only $22.95. That was the amount that I paid for. There's always deals, and depending on the color that you want to choose, some of them are a little bit higher price than the other. They also have a Bluetooth version of it. So anyway, just got this. Let's open it up. So it's very simple. It kind of reminds me of the earmuff the construction workers use, but in a miniature size. So you can adjust the size of things. So you can get quite large. Oh, yeah, it actually blocks out the noise pretty well. Well, for me, that is. It's obviously it doesn't. I have to put it this way, so it doesn't cover my whole earlobe. But I feel that if it's get really tight, yeah, I can barely make out what I am talking about right now. So yeah, I think it will work as long as you tighten up the earmuff to the baby's head. So we're gonna test it out tomorrow, and I'll let you know. Make sure that you adjust the size and put on top of the baby's head. Make sure it covered the ears snugly. And there. And well, we're gonna go to the movies now. Alright, the movie is over. So initially we have the baby in the stroller, but he was fuzzing, so I came out and grabbed the carrier. But the headphones seem to be working. I was carrying him the whole time, standing. Oh, now he's awake, but he was asleep throughout the entire movie. So the music was loud and the sound was loud. But it seemed to be it didn't bother him all that much, and the whole thing stayed up there on his head pretty well. I guess it kind of depending on the baby. Our baby worked with this earmuff, so you could give it a try. It's only $23. The price is pretty good, and yeah, try it and see if it works on your baby. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, bye.